Stop! If you don't follow these 10 money rules in 2025, you might lose everything. The market is crashing. Inflation is eating up your savings, and only the smartest investors will survive. What if I told you that the rich are getting richer because they follow these rules, and you can too? Stay till the end because Rule 10 is the biggest game changer of all. The US economy is on the edge. Banks are tightening credit, the stock market is volatile, and AI is changing jobs overnight. But those who understand how money moves will not only survive, but thrive in 2025. Let's dive into 10 killer money rules that will protect your wealth and skyrocket your finances. Rule 1. The rich don't save money, they move it. Example: billionaire Mark Cuban keeps cash ready to grab opportunities in downturns. Action: build multiple income streams. Now, Rule 2. Bad debt equals car loans, credit cards. Smart debt equals real estate, business investments. Example: Amazon leverages debt to expand aggressively. Why not you? Action: cut bad debt, increase smart debt. Rule 3. Rich people pay less tax legally because they understand loopholes. Example: Elon Musk borrows against assets instead of taking salary to avoid taxes. Action: hire a tax strategist ASAP. Rule 4. Leaving money in the bank equals losing money. Invest in stocks, REITs, crypto, and businesses. Example: those who bought real estate in 2020 made huge profits in 2024. Action: put your money to work. Rule 5. The old save 20% formula doesn't work anymore. Instead, invest 50%, spend 30%, keep 20% in emergency cash. Action: reallocate your income today. Rule 6. AI is taking jobs, so own AI instead of being replaced by it. Example: people making $10,000+ month by automating e-commerce and content creation. Action: start an AI side hustle now. Rule 7. The masses panic in market crashes, the rich buy. Example: Warren Buffett buys stocks when everyone else is selling. Action: study the market. Don't let fear control you. Rule 8. If you're creating content, your niche matters. Example: finance, business, and tech have the highest CPM on YouTube. Action: learn high CPM content creation and monetize big. Rule 9. Who you know matters more than what you know. Example: every billionaire has powerful connections. Action: attend high-value networking events in 2025. Rule 10. Every crisis creates new millionaires. Example: Airbnb, Uber, and WhatsApp were born during financial crises. Action: find gaps, start a business, and invest during downturns. If you follow these 10 rules, you'll be financially bulletproof in 2025. Which rule blew your mind the most? Comment below. But wait, this is just the beginning. To learn more about money, investments, and market trends, subscribe to Being Honest News. Right now, we bring you the smartest money strategies before anyone else. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share this with your friends who need to hear this now. This is how the rich stay rich, will you? Subscribe now for more high CPM and high RPM content.